Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you if your Google storage is full and you can't receive email or you can't upload files on Google Drive. Don't panic, this is a common issue and you can fix it in a minute by not deleting your important files, email, photos. Okay, Google give you 15 GB free storage, but it's shared between Google Photos, Gmail and Google Drive, and that's where the problem started. In this video I will show you how to clear storage from all three apps step by step and free up some space instantly. First you need to understand how Google storage works. Google Photo store your images and videos, Gmail store your email plus attachment, Google Drive store your file which you have saved on your Google Drive. Okay, all of them use the same 115 GB of storage. If you are deleting your Google Photos storage, so it will free up some storage space on your total space. Open any of your Google app, tap on your profile picture and here you can get the storage option. So just tap on storage and here you can get your all storage, Google Photos, Gmail and Google Drive. If you want to clear some space, so just tap on clean up space like this. Okay, and here you can get some large photos and videos. So if you want to delete it, open the particular file, select your file which you want to delete from your Google storage and then simply tap on delete button. Tap on I understand and move to recycle bin. Okay, like this, tap on done. And same if you want to delete your spam emails from Gmail, open the spam email, select your all emails, in one click tap on delete. Okay, like this, that's it, tap on done. Same with if you want to delete your stored files which you have saved on Google Drive, open the Google Drive and here you can get your all files you have saved in your Google Drive. If you want to delete it, select your files like this and then tap on delete. That's it. Okay, so as you can see guys, now some of my storage was free by deleting these unwanted files from my Google account. Also you need to clear your recycle bin of your all apps. Okay, open Gmail, go to recycle bin, select emails and delete it. Same with Google Drive, open your Google Drive app, go to recycle bin, select all file and delete it. Same with Google Photos, open the Google Photos, go to collection, scroll down and find out recycle bin option, open it. You need to select your all file and then you need to delete your all file. Now it will 100% free up some storage space on your Google account. If this video help you, like the video and subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more useful videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.